4 athletes, recycled 4 bottles, and started an amazing process of building a better t-shirt. Sounds kind of strange, right? Bottles becoming t-shirts? Well, here's how it happens. First, bottles are collected from all over the world. Then they are sorted and consolidated. After that, the bottles get a nice hot shower. Then, those clean bottles are put into a giant machine that crushes them into tiny flakes. The flakes are melted together into liquid, which is shaped, cooled, and cut into little pellets, the building blocks of the t-shirt. Next, the pellets are heated, stretched into incredibly thin fibers, and made into strands of soft but durable yarn. The strands are fed into a loom and knitted together. What comes out on the other side? Under Armour Performance Fabric. Fabric that wicks sweat, regulates body temperature, and feels light and comfortable, just like you expect from Under Armour. And that fabric can be dyed into a rainbow of colors. Finally, the fabric is measured, cut, and sewn together into a performance shirt. All that leads to this, a better t-shirt. The UA Catalyst T.